Okay, so for today's video, we're going to be doing the install on the Affordable Series front bumpers for the XJ. These bumpers are going to come with, this is going to be your tie-in brackets for each side. So after you remove your stock bumper, this side is going to be the passenger side is going to be put on a little bit different than what the driver side is. It's going to come with these 1/2 inch, 3.5 inch long bolts. You're going to get one here and one here. Now on the driver's side, it's going to be a little different. You're going to come over on this side. You're going to reuse this bolt right here and this bolt right here that go to your steering. So you can see they're going to line up there. And those are both 16s. We use 3/4 inch bolts because America. And you're also going to reuse on both sides. You're going to reuse the stock. These are 15 millimeter bolts. You're going to reuse those in this hole on each side. So what you're going to want to do is get these just snug, get them up there, snug these on both sides. And then after you get them snug both sides, you're going to put the bumper up and get 4 bolts here and here, which will go, there'll be 2 that connect to the frame, these 2, and then these 2 will just be right on the bumper. But I'll get this buttoned up and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so we went ahead and we snugged everything up, got the bumper where we wanted it. Once you get everything snugged, you'll have a little bit of play, so just make sure both of your sides are even. Once everything's good to go, just go back through and tighten all your bolts down. I'd also recommend to never seize the bolts before you put them in. The ones that come out of the steering box over here that you reuse on this side, that your mounting bracket mounts to, they get a little cruddy, so just throw some never seize on them and put it where you want it, tighten everything, and you're good to go.